This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Tome of Infinite Wisdom. This powerful magic weapon is a fantastic addition to any mage's arsenal in Terraria. To acquire it, you'll need to participate in a special event and defeat a specific enemy. We'll go through each step, from preparing your world to finally obtaining this sought-after item. Let's dive into the details and get you ready for the challenge. Before you can even think about facing the ogre, there are a few crucial steps. You must be in hard mode, and importantly, you need to have defeated at least one mechanical boss. This ensures the Old One's army event scales to a tier where the ogre can actually appear. Next, locate and rescue the Tavern Keep NPC as he sells the items necessary to summon the event. A well-prepared arena is key to success. You'll need a large, flat platform for the Old One's army event. While a minimum of 61 tiles in each direction is required, I highly recommend expanding it to around 120 tiles for optimal movement and defense. Once your battleground is ready, place the Eternia crystal stand directly in the center to prepare for summoning. With your arena set, activate the Eternia crystal to begin the Old One's army event. Your goal is to survive the waves of enemies until the mighty ogres start to appear. These formidable foes usually emerge during the later stages, often around Wave 7. Defeat the ogre, and with a bit of luck, you'll claim the Tome of Infinite Wisdom, a powerful magic weapon for your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.